Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to see who views your Facebook profile. If you want to know that who or how many people have viewed your Facebook profile, then this video is for you. First of all, open your Facebook application and then hit on the menu button. Scroll down a little bit, there you'll see an option to go to your profile. Then hit on the three dots and first of all, make sure that you have turned on your professional mode. Once you turn on that mode, if you go to your home page, there you will see an option of see dashboard. Hit on that. From there, scroll down a little bit and hit on see more insights. Now, on the reach, you will see how many people have viewed your Facebook profile. As you can see, there is 0 on my side. That means 0 people have viewed my profile. So in this way, you can find out how many people have viewed your Facebook profile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.